Lots of things to be thankful for because guess what? Today's Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Liam, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Aw, so cute that one is.
And baby buddy sleeping.
Yes, and baby buddy is sleeping. So we are on our way to my parents' house. We're gonna drop off the boys and we get to go work out together.
Not for very long because we're running late.
Yes, I feel like that is like a trademark of who we are.
Front roll glutes, front roll T-spine, alternate hip rotation.
Hey, where are we?
Anytime Fitness.
Oh
Scott's
my
Bells.
God. What are we doing here?
We are going to work out for Thanksgiving. Yeah,
That's pretty awesome.
it
What are you gonna do
is.
for your workout?
I am going to do our monthly programming, day 2.
Who's monthly programming?
Anytime Fitness's monthly programming. Day 2, it is high intensity, knee tuck push-up, goblet, reverse lunge. My butt hurts, so that'll be fun. Jump squat, 2-point row, stability ball circles.
Jump squats would be great too.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And then the finisher is an arm curl and super band tricep push down.
Cool. All right, have a good workout.
Thanks.
Nice off your face. All right, I'm gonna go do, what am I doing? Back and triceps. Back and triceps, whoo, let's go. And I was gonna do skull crushers on the cable machine, and then I literally heard my buddy Josh going, grow up. So we're gonna use the Easy Curl bar, do some skull crushers. Yeah. So what did you just say?
I forgot to do a set of jump squats.
So you were all done, and then you realized that you forgot to do a set of jump squats, right?
Yeah.
So now what are you gonna do?
Jump squats.
You're gonna do your jump squats. 703 calories. Ooh, yeah, beard. Okay, we are all done. I burned a little over 700. Crystal burned like almost, what was it? Probably close to like 5. What? Really? 350? Well, you know what? Technically 350
Oh my
is...
God, we almost just walked out without keys.
Oh, that was sucked. Good thing I have my key fob on me. 350 though, right? Is like 700 for a girl and boy calories burned, right? Kind of, yeah. I don't know. What did you do after your workout?
Went and laid on the hydro bed.
What? Totally jealous.
Glorious.
Yeah? Feeling like $1 million now?
Butt feels so much better.
Yeah.
I'm still walking a little.
All right, guys. Well, that's probably not the end of this video. We might mix a little bit of family time in with this little workout. We'll crush the workout down and I don't know. You probably can't even see me. Workout. We're gonna do like a super fast thing, and then we'll do some Turkey Day stuff in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I think it should be a separate video.
Okay, well, 2 separate videos then. You guys are gonna get, those are my 2 videos for next week. Yeah, driving with the door open, kill me.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, we do. So, you know what I just realized? Little fun fact for you guys too. So, Tuesday, I trained with Josh, and we did chest and bicep. Okay, so now when you work chest, you're also engaging your triceps along with that. So you're sort of working like chest, bicep, and tricep, right? And then today I did back and tricep. When you work back, you also work biceps a little bit with it. So I sort of got like a double arm workout in this week. I don't know, it's crazy. Literally halfway through my workout, like I could feel like my biceps and my triceps were getting pumped. My back was super pumped. So it's cool. I think this is a split that I'm gonna stick with for a while. I really like it. I like the pumps that I'm getting from this. So it's exciting. So I guess this is the end of this one. So don't forget to subscribe up there, wherever it is. A couple videos down here and down here. If you like the video, hit the like. What should they do if they like it?
Smash it.
Smash it, smash it, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
On the way to being free.